Alright y'all, today we teamed up with Rapid Set Cementol to bring y'all this super easy patio makeover. And I'm going to also show you how to repair those unsightly concrete cracks. The first step in getting rid of those unsightly cracks is to use a crack chaser blade to open up the crack so that the Cementol has a chance to run through and fill the crack completely. After you've opened up the crack with the blade, it's time to pressure wash the area to clean it of all debris and make sure that you're getting rid of all the dirt that was once inside the crack. This will help the cement bond to the concrete better. Once the area is all nice and clean, it's time to mix up the Cementol. You're going to do a 4-to-1 ratio. So for me, this meant 4 cups of Cementol to 1 cup of water. One big tip is to mix the cement into the water. If you do it the opposite way, it makes it much harder to mix. Then use your drill mixer to make sure that you have a good consistency. If it's too runny and too thin, add more dry powder. If it's too thick, add more water. Once the consistency is just right, use a trowel to fill the crack and then smooth out the finish. Make sure that you are covering every inch of the crack and filling it all the way to the top. Think of it like icing a very yucky tasting cake. After the mixture is placed and begins to harden, water cure the area. You can do this by spraying the area with a fine water mist for at least 30 minutes, or you could even use a spray bottle. While that finishes setting up, we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of this patio makeover. Start by pressure washing the area. Pressure wash the flooring, the siding, the door, everywhere you can pressure wash. You wouldn't believe what a big difference a little bit of water makes. Next, I'm going to scrub the back door with a little bit of warm water, Dawn dish soap, and a smidge of baking soda to get rid of all the dirt and debris. Now we're going to employ a little bit of help to set up our sitting area. A good sitting area is key to a super cute patio. I like to have some rocking chairs or regular chairs, a cozy blanket, and definitely some greenery to liven up the space. I also like to use layered mats or large rugs. It really just helps to section off and cozy up the space. And what would be a good patio makeover without a super cute wreath on the door? And that's it, y'all. Our one-day patio makeover is complete. And thanks to Cementol, it went super fast and we were able to fix that unsightly crack and then focus our attention on prettying up the space. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I'm so excited that it only took us one day to complete. Let me know what y'all think and what some of your favorite patio must-haves are.